this was also a system that was invented by no less than former Undersecretary Cabral.
Ayon kay Leviste, bigay sa kanya ito ni Cabral with approval of DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon noong September 4, literally 3 days after sworn into the position of Secretary si Vince Dizon, which he showed to the ICI at Ombudsman daw noong Nobyembre. But before all that jazz, may side quest pa si Leviste dahil binatikos siya ni Bicol Saro Party List Representative Terry Didon dahil nga kung noong September pa lang may listahan na siya, bakit hindi niya nilabas? Which, honestly, valid. Bakit niya sinasabi yan ngayon na patay na yung makakapagpatotoo sa mga sinasabi niya? Is it hearsay versus hearsay?
My question to him is, it has been several months since this supposed document had been provided to him. Why has he not disclosed it up until today? Hindi ba? Kasi binabanggit niya yun in the last couple of days na meron pong binigay na dokumento. Where is that list? And if that list is actually relevant to the flood control controversy, that list should have been disclosed in the soonest time. Hindi natin kailangan hintayin si Undersecretary Cabral po dito.
Pero bumanat si Leviste. Ang sabi niya, dahil naghahanap si Ridon sa Bicol Party List daw, meron silang 150 million pesos na insertions sa budget ng gobyerno.
Pero dahil siya ay nanawagan na isapubliko ko, pwede kong banggitin ang insertions niya. Ito po ay si Bicol Saro Party List Representative Terry Ridon. Si Bicol Saro Party List po ay may 150 million pesos road project insertion sa Pamplona at Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Ito pong dalawang line items, 75 million pesos each, were awarded to the same company, Bicol Gold Rock, at a winning price of 73.5 million pesos, which is 2% below the approved budget. And this same company, Bicol Gold Rock, has cornered the majority of projects like this in this area.
But I'd like to remind the good gentleman from Batangas that Mr. Ridon assumed, run for Bicol Saro Party List only this 2025 elections as the first nominee,
Yes.
ha?
Una, super sinungaling si Congressman Leviste